Hey besties, so I got my Ipsy for the month of November, and I wanted to kind of just unbox it and see what we got. So let's go. And we got Purely's pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. I love Purely's products. They have like one of the best skincare products ever. But this is literally like so fall, and it matches, you know, the aesthetic of the living room. I love it. Ooh, next we have a setting spray. That's neat. Can never have enough setting sprays. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette and a highlight blush palette. Let's open her up real quick. Are you kidding me? Look at this packaging. That is the cutest thing. Look how cute. Oh, I can't wait to use this. But the packaging, oh my god, 10 out of 10. I love this. That is the greatest thing ever. Ooh, we got iconic London makeup brushes. That is so exciting. I got these. Oh, I can't wait to try them. I'm definitely trying them out tomorrow. Ooh, next we have the Kind Ship Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream. So I already actually have a full-size product of this. So I'm most likely going to give this to my mom. But I love this stuff. This is so cool that they give you a little sample size. I love that. That's like definitely such a good thing to have. Like if you have to like travel or somewhere, you can just, you know, chug it in your purse because it's so tiny. Alright, so now we have the small Ipsy, and let's see what we got in here. Ooh, Gloss Moderne. So I tried their hair mask before and it's really good. So this is like a scented perfume oil. Ooh, what's this? Okay, so it's a little eyeshadow palette. Ooh, that's cute. And ooh, Juicy Couture candle. Smell her. That smells really good actually. Ooh, a lipstick. That's a pretty fall color. And then It Cosmetics mascara. Oh my god, I really love everything that I got. That's so exciting. I'm really excited about those iconic London brushes. But yeah, that's all for my Ipsy glam bags.